So I got a new camera, the Canon SX50. Let's see the moon. What do you got, moon? Oh my goodness. Look how close it can get. I'm finding the picture quality is better than video. So here's a picture I took, a little higher quality. And then I did some editing. Oh, look at this. I like the colors. I like editing photos later and making them look cool. Isn't that neat? Alright, above the moon this night was Jupiter, my friends. Jupiter and its 4 moons. Can you believe it? I can't believe it. I will not believe that. Look at that, Jupiter and its 4 moons. You can't see much detail. And here's the best photo I got. You can clearly see the 4 moons. They all orbit around Jupiter, but I couldn't get much detail out of the actual planet. Alright, now let's take a look at Saturn. Saturn, my friends. Now, the video quality, not nearly as good as the pictures, but you can see the oval shape. I mean, that's the rings, and there's a planet inside those rings. But first I just changed the settings a bit, trying to get a better picture in video, but I really haven't even learned this camera that well, so I do not know if it can get better than that in video. But look at the picture. Wait till you see the picture. Alright, here's the picture. I'm gonna slowly zoom in on it, just so you can see the detail